Good morning everyone. Today we are here with a few tips on how to avoid the cold and flu this winter season. Now unfortunately some of you may not have been lucky enough to dodge this bullet, but for those of you who have, here's 4 tips from Dr. Nathan on how to avoid the cold and flu this season.
Number 1 is sun. So the sun has vitamin D when it hits our skin, and that's what we want plenty of. So vitamin D helps with our immune system, and it's going to either help you get better quicker, or it's going to help you prevent it, because that's what we want. Now, the second one is nutrition. So nutrition is important. Now, when we talk about good nutrition, think of something that you can basically grow in the back of your backyard. Okay, not something that you can buy. We're talking fruit and vegetables. Okay. Third, plenty of water. So at least 2 liters minimum. This helps flush out those toxins. So it's important to get plenty of that, especially if you're sweating. You might want to go for 3 liters if you have a high fever. Okay. Number 4, we want to look at rest. So rest and sleep is very important. So sleep, you want to have between 6 and 8 hours, maybe a bit more if you're a child. The reason is it's that rest, that sleep, that's the time that you're going to do most of the healing, and that's the time that your body's going to fight off that infection. So it's important to get enough of that. If you feel tired, listen to your body, try to take a bit of a nap when you can. Okay. Lastly, number 5, it's a simple one, but it's hygiene. So we recommend bare minimum before you have any type of food. Make sure you get some soap, just wash it with your hands. Right, dry it off, make sure it's nice and dry. If you have any droplets, it needs to be dry, and then you're right to have your food. Okay. Thanks for listening.